Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I am back with another Stitch Fix unboxing and try-on video. Now you may be asking yourself, didn't I just see Quenby open her December box already? And you're right, I did, so let me tell you about that. So yes, friends, let's talk. I did just open my December box. The video looks like this, and I thought that was a pretty good box. I was not upset with it at all. But then when I went to go check out, after reading all your helpful comments on my video, trying to help me decide, and getting ready to purchase stuff, I realized, you know what? This stuff's pretty good, but there was nothing in that box that I was really excited about. There was nothing in the box that I was like, I love that. I can't wait to get it. So for the first time, I didn't buy anything in my December Stitch Fix box. I always buy something, a blouse, a pair of jeans, but this is the first time I didn't buy anything from that box because I just wasn't super excited about anything. So Stitch Fix reached out to me and said, hey, it looks like you didn't like your box. Do you want us to send you another one? I can get it there in a week. And I'm like, sure, why not? I'll try another box. So now I get 2 boxes for the month of December. I did write my stylist some notes, so let's see how she did this time. Just a little bit about me is that I'm 44 and I live in Northern California. It gets cool here, but not really cold, so I am looking for sweaters, denim, that type of thing. I've let them know that I'm a boho girl. I love crochet, lace, romantic fashion, ruffles, fun peasant blouses. So hopefully there'll be something like that in this box. And I'm still looking for embroidered jeans. I write them every time, so I don't know if I'm gonna ever get those or not, but I can keep on hoping. So in my unboxing videos, I open the box with you, we look at the stuff, then I try it on, then we come back to talk about the prices. I just do it that way because I don't want the price to deter me if I really love an item. So come along, let's open up this box, let's take a look at everything, try it on, and have some fun together. You saw my little roll there. This looks like it's going to be great. Here's the information from my stylist. Here's the bag to send back for free anything I don't want. If you want to know how Stitch Fix works, all the details, it's in my description section below. But I can return anything that I don't want for no charge. If I buy everything, I get 25% off, but that's never happened. I'm going to start with this. Extra comfort, extra support, extra nice. This is the first time I've ever done an add-on. So when you go to check out, they have some other things that you can choose from. And I chose a pajama set because I just want something sweet and cozy. So this is by Seeing Stars. And it's a little pair of super soft shorts and a pajama top. I don't remember how much this was, but it feels so soft and nice. So I'll try that on and we'll see. Now let's look at my regular roll here. I don't know if when I choose an add-on, I thought it was an in addition. My roll is starting to like fall apart. I didn't think that counted as one of my 5 items. I thought maybe it was in addition. Ooh, look at the print on this. That's nice. It feels like a heavy spandex. Ooh, a dress. I haven't gotten a dress from Stitch Fix before. Ooh, let's see. This is kind of neat. It's a size large and it's by this brand Leota, and it is called the Libby Faux Wrap Knit Dress in a size large. So I'll try that on. I don't really have anywhere to wear a dress right now. I'm filming this in December 2020. We're still in the middle of shutdown, social distancing, all that. So I don't really have anywhere to wear a dress, but hey, no problem. Oh no, this must be the other item. I love when they give me jewelry. These are the Ashburn 4-piece pearl earring set in light pink. I don't think this is my style, but I like the idea of it. Yeah, this is really not my personal style. Too bad, because that's so cute. It's like gold and pink pearly. I wear, I'll wear gold tone, but usually Nothing little like this. I go for like a bigger, more like bohemian jewelry, beads and turquoise and stuff like that. Handcrafted semi-precious jewelry. That's really pretty. So bummer, I did get a great pair of earrings from them before. Okay, let's look at this, because as you can tell, I like neutral. So this is like, got a little fringe, which makes it, I think, a little fun and stylish, but it's still just a basic neutral. Ooh, look at this. Okay, this is by RD Style in a large, and this is the Roca side button cotton blend pullover in off-white. Kind of a long tunic pullover. You know, I got this before in mustard, I think. Oh, and the rounded hem. So that's cool. Let's try that on. This is so soft. Like, I really hope I love this. Look at the color. And it feels gorgeous. Feels like a Madewell cardigan. But it's not. It's something called Lusso Cashmere. Ooh, you know what cashmere means. It's probably gonna be expensive. Desiree Cashmere cardigan. It says brown, but to me this looks like almost like a purpley. Oh my gosh, that feels amazing, friends. What do you think of this color? I really, really rely on your feedback, so I can't wait for you to tell me what you like. 41 Hawthorne. Ooh, this is nice. I'm not sure about the neckline on this. This is the 3Q pin tuck keyhole blouse in large. I upgraded my size to a large because I'm not normally a large in anything I buy, but all those Daniel Rain tops they send me that I like are medium and they're too small. What do you guys think of this? I like the colors. I'm worried the neckline might be a little high. So now the fun part. I'm gonna try this stuff on. We're gonna look at everything and we're gonna come back and decide. Have you ever thought about trying Stitch Fix for yourself? It's super fun. I really am enjoying it. I do have a link in my description section for $25 credit. So you can get a box sent to you, and if you want something in the box, you have 25 bucks towards that item. That's how I started, with a friend's code like that, and I fell in love with a pair of jeans in my first box that were 58 bucks, and I had 25 already, so I only had to pay the rest. It's super fun. You can cancel anytime. You can do one box, or you can do a bunch of boxes like me, but I encourage you to use my link below and try it out. Okay, friends, I don't know about you, but I thoroughly enjoyed that try-on portion. I think this was a really great box. So now let's get into the hard part, which is the prices. Let me grab my price list. awkward reach to grab the price list. They send you all sorts of helpful information in here. I think my stylist did really good on this one. I will tell you, just to be honest, that I'm a thrift store shopper. I'm like a thrifter at heart. My channel is mostly about reselling online, and I buy a lot from thrift stores, wholesale, so I love a bargain. I often think Stitch Fix is priced high, just because I'm used to like thrifting and getting amazing deals. But in 2020, with this very difficult year on so many levels, I decided to treat myself to Stitch Fix. Sometimes I think the prices are high, but here we go. I would use this stylist again. Her name is Anissa. And, okay, anyway, let's get into this. I got so much good stuff. Okay, I like this 41 Hawthorne black tank top, black blouse, peasant blouse. This would be great for work. I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist, and I wear blouses like this with a nice pair of pants or jeans. So this would be great. 41 Hawthorne's kind of an expensive brand, so let's see. Actually, no. Black size large, only $64. The Daniel Rain tops that I usually buy are $68, and I think of 41 Hawthorne, I thought it was going to be more expensive. The only thing I wasn't sure about is the neckline on this is pretty high. What did you think about it? I like this piece. I really like this oatmeal colored tunic sweater. It feels comfortable and nice. I like the length. It's more like a tunic. So this one is the side button cotton blend sweater, an off-white and large, and it's $68. Not bad. But you guys, I'm getting to that cardigan soon. I absolutely love that cardigan. It's cashmere. I want it, but I'm afraid it's gonna be like $200 or something. The earrings, I'm gonna pass on unless they let me exchange them for like maybe a different color or a different, I like the brand, but these just don't feel like me, so I have to kind of pass on those. Pajamas I really liked, super soft and comfortable. I decided not to include these in the try-on video because I'm in like my pajamas. What are these though? Extra Seeing Stars long sleeve crew neck, gray size large, $44 for the set. So that's good. Oh, I forgot to give you guys my entire total. I'm used to my boxes being about $450, and this one is $360. Oh, here, oh no, I'm sorry. I do this every time. I'm like the worst, you guys, because the stylist pick subtotal is $422. If you buy all the pieces for 25% off, you get a $105 discount. So that's significant. So if I were to get everything in this box, it would be $360.50. Is that including the pajamas though? Shipping's free. That's not that bad, guys. I'm used to it being worse. I liked this dress. I've been looking for a wrap dress. I don't have anywhere to wear a wrap dress, but I might someday. This is the Leota Libby faux wrap knit dress in black, $88 for a dress. I mean, I think that's pretty good. Oh, this is the piece I want more than anything. I love the color. I love the length. What did you guys think of it? I wonder if it comes in other colors. I'd almost rather like, I don't know. I can't decide. I need your help as usual. Okay, the Lusso Cashmere Desiree cardigan in large, $148. But I want this. I just want it. I almost feel like I love the other things in the box. I'm definitely getting this sweater. I might get all these things because essentially with the 25% off, the earrings would be kind of free. Maybe I could give them as a gift or something. I just really like this box. I thought she did awesome. I would actually go on the site and order more of these cardigans if I could, if they have them in different colors. But what do you think? I'd love your suggestions. It really is helpful to me. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you're liked and subscribed. And I have an entire Stitch Fix playlist if you want to go see my other boxes. Friends, did you know that I have an entire Stitch Fix unboxing playlist? I do. I also have ThredUp unboxings, Jomar wholesale unboxings, lots of clothing mystery unboxings on my channel. So check out those playlists and just binge watch some of the unboxings. Plus, make sure you're subscribed with the bell turned on. That way you know when a new unboxing video comes out and you don't want to miss it.